Everyone meet my new favorite printer. I bought this printer a couple weeks ago during the sale. This is the BambuLabs A1 Mini, which has been named Nano C. It's my third bamboo printer. And this probably ranks number one as far as favoritism is concerned when compared to my two S1Cs. And this printer has brought me back to why I started the hobby to begin with. One thing that I was always drawn to is the customizability of the printers themselves. No matter what printer I have, the Ender 3, the Alpha Ys, the loaners, I always loved and had a passion for customizing them to make them better suit my needs. And that's what I've done with this A1 Mini here. Man, I have had so much fun customizing this guy, and I just added a few mods here and there, and there's more that are to come. So let's go over the mods that I've used. First thing here are these cable clips. These are very handy. I have three on. They keep my cables nice and out of the way. I have these little protectors here. I have this cap on here for the AMS. Let's see. Let's talk about this guy here. So I need this here to catch all the poop because I'm going to be taking this guy to markets with me. I don't want it throwing poop at people that are trying to buy things or look at things that I'm selling. This is probably one of my most favorite mods. This is a handle. And this is a very durable handle, and just to show you how light the printer is, I am holding it with one arm here. So yeah, that's carbon fiber infused as well. There's a few more mods. Let's turn this guy around and look at those. Alright, so look in here, I have put this in place. I want to keep my ports nice and clean. There's my micro SD card. And I don't want anything exposed that don't need to be exposed because these could potentially be very dusty locations. I have this guy right here to just kind of plug the hole up with that. Have another cable straightener, as I would call it. It's kind of flexible, but it keeps my cables nice where they're not bending too much, putting too much strain on the cable. Okay, so this is the back of the printer. I have two cable protectors here. I don't want these guys getting bent, scrunched in any way, shape, or form that will cause these guys to be damaged. I might do one for the power cable too, but this is what I have on the back of the printer as of right now. This is the back view of the printer. I've put a lot of hours on this guy, and I've had a lot of fun. Also, I forgot to mention this guy right here. This is kind of like a extruder screw cap is what I would call it. It spins as the printer is printing, spitting out filament. And of course, my nameplate, Nano C. But yeah, this is my A1 Mini. I love this printer, my new favorite printer, as I mentioned before. And this has reminded me from where I came from, printing modifications for the printer. It's been a blast. I've had a lot of fun with this printer, and it's currently holding number one. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.